Hi, this is Professor Kruger. I'm making this video to show you how to register for F1000 Workspace. This is one of the tools that we'll be using in our course this semester. So in order to get to the site to register, you can do a couple of different things. Either you can type in F1000 Workspace into the search bar of a browser, or you can do a Google search and find it that way. So I'm going to take that route. I'm going to start typing in F1000 and you'll see some results that come up. One of the reasons I wanted to use this method of finding the site is to point out something that could be confusing. F1000 actually has a number of different components to it, one of which is the workspace. So you want to make sure that you're actually going to the workspace site and not going to some other part of their collection of sites. So you just want to make sure that you find F1000 workspace and click on that, and you'll see that the first result from the search is right up here at the top. So you're looking particularly for f1000workspace.com. So you just want to make sure that you wind up in the right place. So this is really easy to register for. It is free. You do not have to put in any credit card or a debit card number. You do get some premium features for the first 30 days, and then after that, they'll be taken away. But you don't need those features for this course. So the free account is all that you need. So this is very easy to do. You just want to go ahead and click on the Create Free Account now. And I'm going to enter my first name. Then I'm going to enter my last name. I'm going to enter my email address. Now this is important because I need you to use your CCC student email account. Please don't use a different email account. It's important that I'm able to connect up with you on F1000 Workspace, and those are the email accounts that I'm able to find easily. So again, please make sure that you use your CCC email account when you are registering for this site. And I'm going to do just that. So my CCC email account is jkruger4@ccc.edu. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter a password. You can check to get their monthly updates and announcements. You don't have to. I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to click in the I'm not a robot box, and then I'm going to click on Create Free Account. So they're going to come up with a couple of questions here. You can go ahead and put this information in if you want to. You don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead and put in City Colleges of Chicago as my institution. And then I'm going to choose biology and life sciences as my field of study. So this is it. You've registered, and this is your homepage for the F1000 workspace. So we'll talk more about how you're actually going to use this, but you need to just get registered at this point and make sure that you have your account set up. A couple of other things you should do. They're going to send you an email for you to confirm your registration. So this is my email account, and you can see right here that there's an email from F1000 confirming my registration. So I just need to go ahead and click the link, and it will confirm that my email has been validated. So that's one thing that you want to do. The other thing that you can do, if you want to, is go ahead and download the F1000 Workspace app onto your mobile device. So there is an app for Android or for Google Play, and there's also an app for iOS. The reviews are not so great on this app, although I will say that I used to use it when I had an iPhone and it seemed to work just fine. So I'm not sure if it has developed problems, But if you want to, you can go ahead and download the app onto your mobile device. It's not a necessity, but you may find it useful and easier as you use this tool in the course. So that's it. You are now registered for the F1000 workspace.